Welcome to this presentation on requirements gathering. In this session, we will explore functional and non-functional requirements analysis. Let's get started. So, what exactly are requirements? A requirement is a condition or capability that must be met or possessed by a system to satisfy a contract, standard, specification, or other formally imposed document. In simple terms, it's what the system needs to do or be. Requirements can be broadly classified into two main types: functional and non-functional. Functional requirements define what the system should do, while non-functional requirements specify how the system should perform. Let's delve deeper into functional requirements. These describe the specific behaviors or functions that a system must provide. Some examples of functional requirements are user login and logout, processing payments, generating reports, and sending notifications. These are the actions a system must perform. Now let's explore non-functional requirements. These describe how the system performs its functions, focusing on quality attributes and constraints. Examples of non-functional requirements include performance, security, scalability, and availability. These define how well the system operates. The requirements gathering process typically involves 4 key steps. Identify stakeholders and objectives. Elicit or gather requirements from these stakeholders. Document these requirements in a clear and structured manner. And finally, validate the requirements by reviewing and approving them. To effectively gather requirements, several elicitation techniques can be used. These include interviews, which are one-on-one discussions with stakeholders; workshops, which are collaborative sessions to brainstorm and define requirements; surveys, which use structured questionnaires to gather information; and observation, which involves analyzing user behavior to understand their needs. To ensure successful requirements gathering, it's important to follow some best practices. Involve stakeholders early in the process. Use multiple elicitation techniques to get a comprehensive view. Document requirements clearly and concisely. Validate requirements regularly to ensure they are still accurate, and manage changes effectively to keep the requirements up to date. Good requirements are the foundation of successful system design. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.